So hello guys, welcome to another video. So today we are going to learn about percentages. Okay, and the simple interest I'll cover in the next video. So this is the part one. So first of all, what are percentages? Percentages are basically part of a whole, just like fractions. Like fractions, you have 25 over 50. Yeah, it's like 25 over 50. So this means that like there are 50 balls and 25, and out of those 50 balls 24 5 balls have been lost. And just like fraction, percentages can also be used. Its symbol is percent. This okay, we call it a percent. So like we can write 10% as 10, and then this sign with the slash and two circles on the opposite sides of the slash. Like you can take 0 divided by 0, okay, but the 0 should be small, and then you can just keep it diagonal and it will become the percent sign. For example, 15 by 20 can be written as 75%. So I will tell how to convert fraction into percent. Okay, percentages are widely used in a day-to-day life. So you might have heard about 20% discount on uh, t-shirts, 20% discount on fruits, then 50% discount on washing machines. So when we go out for shopping, items are discounted 25%, 50%, 30%, etc. Learning percentages will help a lot in your life. So how to convert fractions into percentages? So to convert, so this is a very major topic. To convert fractions into percentages, you can use two methods. Okay. The first method is to convert the denominator into 100 and make equivalent fractions. Okay, so 46 by 50 is a fraction, as you can see the denominator is 50 and 50 is 100. 50 is a factor of 100, right? So 50 okay, so 50 into 2 is equal to 100, right? And then to make equivalent fractions, we know how to make equivalent fractions. We multiply the denominator and numerator with the same number. So we will multiply 46 with the same number. Also 46 into 2 is 92. Okay, this is 92 over 100. So one more main thing I forgot to tell you is that percentage is like normal percentages. Okay, so there can be 275% things like that, but normal percentages are till 100. Okay, 100% means 100 over 100. Okay, 100% means 100 over 100. Okay, so we have to keep the denominator always 100. Like we just the denominator should always be like, okay, so this is 92 over 100. So in percentage we can write it as 92%. Okay, and the second method is to multiply the fraction with 100. So so in first example, the first method we were making the denominator 100, but in the second method we are making that we are multiplying the fraction with 100. For example, 27 over 30 can be written as 27 over 30 into 100. So these zeros cancel out. 3 ones are 3 and 3 nines are 27. Then 9 into 10 is 90%. So in this there is no denominator. You don't have to see if the denominator is 100 or not. Just multiply the fraction with 100 and you will get the percentage. But second method is encouraged as it can convert fractions with denominators not factors of 100 into percentage. So like for example, take this example only. So like it is 27 over 100. So does 100 have a factor? This is 30 a factor of 100? No. So you can convert 30 into 100. You can, like by multiplying with decimals, but it is just too lengthy. So you can just simply multiply with 100. Okay. So how to find out the percentage of a number? So find out. So like if it is given 27% of 60 is what? Then how would you find out? To find out the percentage of number, convert the percentage into a fraction. Okay, so 60%, any percentage, okay, 20%, 30%, 40%, 25%, any percentage can be written as the number over 100. For example, um, 40% is equal to 40 over 100. So yeah, so every percentage can be converted to fraction by just putting a number in the denominator and giving the in the numerator and giving the denominator as 100. So for example, 60% of 20, 60% can be written as 6 over 60 over 100. So like 100% of 20 is 20, obviously, because 100 over 100 cancels out 1. 1 into 1, 1 into 20 is 20. Now we got 90% of 20, 90 over 100 into 20. So we keep doing like that. Okay, so 60% of 20 is 60 over 100, right? 60 over 100 into 20, right? So these zeros cancel out, these zeros cancel out, then 6 into 2 is 12. So 60% of 20 is 12. Okay, so now to find out the number, if its percentage is given, for example, 20, 12 is the percentage, is 60% of a number. Okay, so it is so the answer would be 20. Okay, so I am taking this example only. Okay, so 12 is the percentage of a number, is 60% of a number. So we need to find out the number. So we will take the number, as we don't know it, as x. Okay, we will take it as x. Then we will transpose 60 over 100. 60% is 60 over 100. We'll transpose it to the RHS. So this becomes 12 divided by 60 over 100, which is 12 into 100 over 60. So we reciprocate the fraction, and then 12 over 60 is over into 100 over 60 is 12 under 12. 12 5s are 60, and 5 20s are 100. So 20x is equal to 20. So yes. So how to add discount on an item? So to find out a discount on a particular item, there are two methods. So like this is very useful, as like you see percentages whenever you go shopping, or when you go to buy some things online. It's like 20% discount on t-shirts above $250, like that, 250 rupees, like that. So to find out the discount on a particular item, there are two methods. Either you can first multiply the discount percentage with the original price and subtract it from the original price. So I know you can't understand right now, it's confusing. So for example, I'll give you an example. So there is 20% discount, okay, on $100 object. I am keeping things simple for now and keeping $100 instead of $90, $170, like that. Okay, so you multiply 100 with 20, because the denominator is 100 of a percentage, and then 100 cancel out. So I'm going to keep it simple. Okay, so there's a 20% discount on a $100 item. So first you will calculate the discount. So I had told you in the previous slide how to calculate the percentage of a number. So it means the same like calculating discount on a particular item. So 20 over 100, you multiply 100 with 20%. So these 100 cancel out and you get $20. Then you subtract $20 from 100. Okay, because 100 is the original price and $20 is the discount, and discount is always lower than the original price. So we'll do 100 minus $20, which is $80. So the price of the item after the discount is $80. The second method, okay, so I personally like the second method, because it is you need to use fewer statements and equations. Okay, but there is a one problem with this method, is that the percentages might be big, so it takes time to cancel and multiply. For like if you want to calculate faster, you can use the first method. Okay. The second method is to subtract 100% from the percent discount, then multiply. Okay. So let me tell you first of all why subtracting 100% like this from shouldn't be there. Okay, because it will be 20% minus 100%. So okay, so just ignore this. Okay, so for example, you have an object which is a price of let's take $70. Okay, so $70 is the price of the object. Okay, and you can you can write $70 as 100% of 70, right? 100% of $70, right? Because 100% is 100 over 100, and 100 over 100 can simplify into 1 over 1, which is 1. So of $70, okay, so 100% of $70 is 1 into 70, because 100 over 100 is 1. So it is the same if you write $70 or 100% of $70. So now the discount price is 20%, right? And 20%, as you know, you will calculate the discount from the first method by multiplying 20% with 100. So in this, multiplying 20% with 70, so minus, okay, because the discount, this is the discount, minus 20% of 70. Okay, so 1 second, eraser. So of can be written as multiplication, as you know. Then I'll write 100% into $70 minus 20% into $70. Then I can put brackets over here, and then you can use a distributive property, right? Because $70 are the common, so you take out $70, right? And 70 into 100 minus 20%, so we get what I'm saying, trying to say, that we minus the discount from the from 100%. Okay, so I hope you got it. So from the percent discount, then multiply the original price. So 100%, 100% into 100 is 1 into 100, which is $100, and then minus 20%, which is the discount, it's 80%. So now we need to calculate 80% of 100, which is $80. So we get the same price, right? Same price after the discount. So for example, this is on discount, right? So for example, you pay expense of like you have bought an item for example, let's take $50. Okay, and it has it has to be done some maintenance, so that takes 20% of your original price. Okay, so 20% of 50 is about 20% of 50 is 2 into 5, which is $10. Okay, so $10 is the material price. So you are the total price of the object then would be item would then be 50 plus 10, which is $60. So like your price is increasing over here, not decreasing. So you can use both the methods in the same way. Just what you have to do in the first method, you can 20% of 100 into 50 is equal to it is equal to $10. And then instead of subtracting, you add $20 to the original price, which is 50. So you get not $20, $10 to the original price, which is $50, and you get $60. Okay, and using the second method, what you do is instead of doing 100% minus 20%, you do 100% plus 20%. Okay, so it would be 120%. Then you multiply. Okay, so I'll just one second. I'll just write, instead of 80 over here, I'll put 120 over here. Okay, so I know you would have seen what I'm doing, like 100 cancel, and then 120 over 100. Oh, sorry, this should be 50. Yeah, sorry. So this should be 50. So 0 cancelled over here. Okay, and then 0 cancelled over here. Then 12 into 5 is 60. So you again get $60. So this is how to like increase the how to increase the price if the percentage is given. If the like you need to do some maintenance and it is percent of the original price, or something like you broke a vase, for example, in a museum. Okay, so this okay, so that was about $200. That was not in a museum, in a shop. Okay, and as you broke it, you have to pay $200 plus print for 30% of the original price is $200. So you can use this for all of these. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'm thinking of doing a live stream um, in the next video. Okay, because I want to like try out live stream. So I will tell in the comments when I am doing the live stream. Hopefully I will do it tomorrow. So don't think I'll. So like I will. It will show like I am around. I will hold the live stream around 4 or 5 or 12. I'll tell you in the comments of this video. Okay. So I'll meet you in the next video. Bye. 1 second. Bye.